Hello students, let's do another gizmo. This one is called golf range. So it should already be added to your class, but if not, you just type in the word golf and it's the first one that comes up. And we're going to launch the gizmo. And as always, under the info, you want to look for one of the student exploration sheets. You've got PDF, Word, or Google Doc. And remember, this just tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. It's a set of instructions, it's a place to put your answers, and there's also a place to record any data. There's 3 activities for this one. We've got maximum distance for A, and then for B, we've got physics of projectile motion, and then the last one, activity C, is for hang time. So let's go back to our gizmo. So this gizmo is basically a driving range, right? You've got your tee box over here, and then you have your green with the flag, and your job is to try to get the golf ball into the hole for a hole-in-one. And then you can reset it. And there's a number of different things that we can vary over here. We can vary the initial speed, we can vary the angle, and we can also show the velocity vectors. We can show a background grid, which is kind of helpful. We can also show the different paths. So you can see the first one is already there. You can click this button, clear paths, to get rid of it. You can also show the velocity components for the X and the Y. I'll get to the advanced features in just a moment. So you can see we've changed the velocity. You can see that the vector is getting bigger. We can also change the angle. I'll launch it again. And we have that nice parabolic curve. And we can clear the path. You also have an option, once we reset this, to have atmosphere, or you can also have it in ideal conditions where there's no atmosphere. Under the advanced features, what we have is you can change the height of the person. So you can put them on basically a cliff, and you can also change the acceleration from gravity. You can make it a different planet. We'll just keep it for 9.8 meters per second squared here. You can see also it does list what the X and Y velocity components are. So we can just change these around to different parameters, and then what you can do is you can practice to see if you can actually get it into a hole-in-one. I have turned the sound off for this, but when you do get a hole-in-one, if you happen to be able to do that, it will announce that there is a hole-in-one. Simple as that. So there you go. This is the golf range gizmo, and I will see you in class.